Welcome to my YouTube channel graphic tutorial. Today I can make monochromic spiral dots of this type. At first take a new page from file menu. Here I can select a square page. So at first take a rectangular from tool menu. Here I can take a square shape. Without background, only a stroke. Then I can take from ellipse menu, make a circle, and here I can give a background, only background, not a stroke. And copy here, and it is so smaller than others. Select to an alignment. From object menu I can make blend. Here are more dots, so go to blend tools from tool panel and select 13. Then it can difference from before. Here copy on both sides, then transform and rotate 180 degree and copy. Here select transform, rotate 90 degree and place here. Another copy, transform, rotate 180 degree and place here. Then I can align and then here I select and make a group, then go to effect menu and here destroy it and transform to transform. Now select copy one and scale horizontal less than 100 and vertical less than 100. Then rotate angle 5 and preview. Here I can increase copy and make my spiral monochromic dots. Then copies 40 and OK. So thank you. যারা এই গ্রাফিক টিউটোরিয়াল ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করেননি তারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং পাশে থাকা বেল বাটনটি বাজিয়ে দিন আর লাইক ও কমেন্ট করতে ভুলবেন না। থ্যাংক ইউ।